Welcome back to another Cooking with Journey to 50 Plus. Today I'm going to show you how I make my protein yogurt cups for meal preps. I'll start by picking out my favorite flavors. Here I have like some strawberries, some strawberry banana. I have just plain vanilla. And I'll do blueberry. Those are some of my favorites. Now, this is just like the base because you'll see that I'll add different toppings later on. So the ones I have here, it's all non-dairy. You can pick one that has milk, but if you're lactose intolerant or you try to avoid dairy, you can go with something like this. I have both So Delicious and also Silk brands. Both of them are very good. These are my meal prep containers that I use. These are the smaller ones that fit my protein yogurt very well. I can link these also, or I will link these in the description box below in case you're interested. I'm going to use a tablespoon here, and I also have 1/3 cup. Usually when I'm doing my toppings, I'll use 1 serving of whatever the topping is. Since I'm going to be doing protein yogurt cups, I'm going to use protein powder. The one that I like to use is called My Protein. They have a variety of flavors. All the ones I've tried so far are really, really good. So what I typically do is I'm going to start by removing the tops to all of the yogurt and also remove the tops to the containers as well. I'm going to give each of them a little mix, stir it up just to make sure, like, you know, sometimes there's a little bit of water on top of the yogurt when you open it up, so I'm just going to mix it up. Then I'm going to pour it into the containers. I like to use glass just because it's more eco-friendly. These have bamboo lids and it's very airtight, so it keeps everything inside very fresh. Okay, so I'm going to just put each one of these yogurts into the glass container. And yes, this could be very time consuming up front, but trust me, during the week when you're very busy, it's easy to just pull these prepackaged containers out of the fridge and just eat them. I'm just going to scoop all of this out into the containers. So we're just going to finish putting them all into the glass containers now. Now, I know you may not have seen me do the protein powder. You can either layer it, so you'll put in your yogurt, then put a layer of the protein powder and then your toppings, or you can also ahead of time mix your protein powder in your yogurt and then put that into the meal prep container. It's up to you. It doesn't get soggy or anything like that. The protein powder does thicken the yogurt. So as you see here, we've got the different flavors. So depending on what you're feeling for each day, you can have options. The toppings that I'm using here is a granola. It's keto friendly. This one is cinnamon pecan, and it's very delicious. It has a bunch of different nuts and granola and seeds in there. So it's very hearty, and very filling. This is what it looks like. got this one at Sam's Club. Here I have some shredded coconut. I'm going to use that as toppings on some of them. What I like to do is the ones that have chocolate, I'll maybe do a little bit of chocolate chips on it and a little bit of shredded coconut. But I typically won't put it on the one that already has like the granola mixture. But of course you can do it however you choose, whatever flavors you like to mix. So that's solely up to you. So this is my chocolate yogurt, and I'm adding the coconut and the chocolate chips to that. And I'm also going to add a little bit of nuts. So not only are you getting a lot of protein, but it's kind of like a sweet treat as well. I'm going to top it with a little bit of chia seeds. With the chia seeds, I tend to not do a full serving. I'll just do half of a serving on top, just to cut back on calories. And once it's done, put the lid on and this is what it looks like. And then I just put them in the fridge. And this is just one option of a snack when you're doing your meal prep for the week. If you enjoyed this recipe, check out my Cooking with Journey to 50 Plus playlist for more healthy ideas. Don't forget to comment below and hit subscribe if you'd like to see more recipes on the channel.